Guys, today I am playing Don't Press the Button 7. No, bro! New parkour is so hard, even the heads. Bro, what the? Why am I still falling? Let me respawn. Did I disconnect me? Yep. I'm reconnecting and going to a different spot. 1 sec. Ow.
It's good. It's just shit.
I'm in my room. Oh, where's the Wi-Fi at? Get off my yellow. My yellow. Get off my yellow. Off my yellow. Get down to poopy green. So hard to balance on this. Wait, what? Did I make it? No. Wait, what? We made it! What the? Oh! Oh! Ow. What in the world? Ah! Ah! I was about to die right there.
Pizza!
How do you dance? You don't want to know. Pet. Cat is so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Wait, why? Oh, he's so cute. No, bro. The speed. Oh. Button. Oh my god, Huggy Wuggy. Run, Caddy, run. Run, Caddy, run. Oh my god, he's after me. He got me. I don't know. How we doing this? Caddy, run. It's so hard to balance on this one. Be careful. Did everybody die? Oh, there's one left. Oh, wait, there's cats! I put my kid at the right time. Kitty is your friend! Oh, he's so cute right now. This is actually going to make me cry. Cry, this, run it! What is this? It's rising. Holy. What is this? I don't remember this is for Don't Press the Button 7. Go. 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 I win. Somebody's dead, I think. I'm pressing the button. I'm doing wall parkour. Like, if you fall, you can come back on. Oh, coil. Okay, make you fast. This looks fun. We'll try this one. Oh, man. Oh, it looks like this is purple. Nice. Are you kidding me? So I know what happens if you die. Wait, I want my yellow. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, get off my yellow. Get off my yellow. My yellow. My yellow. My yellow. Get off my yellow. Get on green. Get on red. Nobody get on my yellow. Because I'm yellow. Oh! Bruh! I'm not fast enough. I always survive this. Why am I acting like an absolutely noob? Oh no, I always fail this one. You've been like too fast for this. It's kind of like a skate tsunami. I want to be the first one to complete it and I should just show you how hard it is. Ooh, what's the people? Win. Oh, come on, I was so close. How do you dance? How do you dance in this game? How do you dance? Invite. I'm pressing it. Boxing fight. I always get defeated. Oh my god, my cat got defeated. Wait, somebody have the cat equipped. Yay, we're twins. I wish I could go. Prison. We have to dodge this. I remember I did a lot of gangster stuff. What the? There's a way to make it. Nope. Oh my god, what the? Let me try to do this. Jump! Bruh! What is this? Oh no. Go! No. Thank you. We have to do it again? My buddy. What's happening? Yo, there's missiles! Run! Oh my god, there's missiles after you. Yo, we're lucky there's no missiles after me. Never mind. You have to run. Oh my god, there's a missile. Wait, what? There's still missiles. I picked this way because it's the closest one to me. Don't rise. Yes! Come on, kitty. Smoke. Hi. Maybe he wants to kill in kitty. Wait, what? Ah! No! Kitty! Every time I press it, something bad happens. Where do I go? Don't rise, don't rise. Did everybody else die? Yeah, they did. He's coming towards us. Go, go, go! This is how fast they can run. Oh my god, everybody's died. Except for us. Yeah, me and you are the goats. We're the goats here. Yeah. Look at you losers up there. We're the two goats. We're the two goats. We're the two goats. Yay! Wait, what? Why is this so fun? Okay, this is over now. Oh my god. Gotta dodge these things. Bruh, how did I die? This is my yellow. Nobody mess with my yellow. Please survive. So this side was good. Let's go. Everybody else. Bro, let's press the button. This place is crowded. Bruh. Move. Out of the way, lady. This video is gonna be long. God, she's really holding the butt. If she don't move, I'm joining a different server. See ya. Get off my yellow! Get off of my yellow! Get off of my yellow! Get off of my yellow! Bro, this is just a bacon server. I'm the only one who's not a bacon. Green's always right. Yay. Ooh, race cars. I'm getting the one all the way in the front. How do I get in? Do I have to go through the other? Where is it? Oh my god! Ow! I made it! Did everybody die? Ow.
Pizza!
How do you dance? If you played this game before, how do you dance? Please tell me in the comments. Queen, my queen, my queen. Pizza! Where's my kitty? Oh yeah, I forgot I have to equip my kitty. Equip. There we go. Go too late. How do you dance? Bruh. Oh nah. Run for Buggy Wuggy! Ah! Can you keep me safe? No! I had enough dying, so if you guys made it to the end of this video, then make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe right now because I don't want to see no more bacon. While I'm around, so I know what happens if you fall. You guys seen on the last video. Well, last game. Bro, this is invisible. What? Alright, if you guys made it to the end of this video, then make sure to right now. I hate don't press the button.